Hello yogis, Namaste, Melyssa here from Mystical Stone. Welcome to your day 27 of our 30-day journey. Today's practice is alternate nostril. We already did this one with the mudra, with the Vishnu mudra or the variation. This one is a little bit simpler, but it might be a little more challenging for the mind because we're not going to physically block the nostrils. We're going to use mudras away from the face and our minds to do the shift. So we're going to still experience the same flow of prana through both nadis, through the right side, which is your pingala nadi, your solar energy. This energy that travels through this channel, through the pingala, is brighter, is sharp, is a good one to tune in when you need to take decisions. When you just need a boost of energy, you need to get things done. Pingala nadi is the one you want to tune in. However, if you're already feeling hyper anxious and you need to cool down and just chill, then you want to tune with Ida nadi, your lunar energy, which travels through your left side. So when we work with this alternate nostril, we are able to balance the two. This can help us to balance the two hemispheres of the brain so that you can tap into that creative, mystical side of you, but also that analytical and logical side of you. That's what we're always trying to do in yoga, to merge the two energies, the light and darkness within, because whether we like it or not, we do possess both. And it is important to recognize and accept ourselves as a whole. And so that's what we're going to do today with this pranayama. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to sit up comfortably. Bring your hands on your legs, palms facing up to start. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra. Bring your thumbs and index to touch and extend all other three fingers. Relax your face, relax your jaw. And we're going to start by working with Pingala Nadi. Curl the three fingers in on the left hand and bring them into the palm. You can keep your thumb and your index touching and then flip your palm down for Chinmaya Mudra. You can bring your hand to the crease of your leg and you can bring them both to the crease of the legs. If you notice that your shoulders rise and there's no way you can keep them down, then you can move your hands slightly away from the creases and more towards your knees. That's fine too. Focus on the right nostril only. And some of you will feel your breath moving in through your right nostril. Inhale and exhale only through the right. If you like working with your third eye, visualize a bright energy, maybe in golden tones, moving in and out through your right nostril. If you're not into visualizations, that's okay. Just continue to notice the sensations as you inhale and exhale. By flipping your left palm down, you're closing the energy of the Ida Nadi. You're closing that channel. As keeping your right hand with your palm facing up in Gyan Mudra, you are doing the opposite. You're welcoming the energy through that side. We'll take one more breath like this. And when you're ready, flip your left palm up, Gyan Mudra. Breathe through both nostrils. Try to focus on both. Your mind might take you back to the right side, so continue to focus left and right, left and right. Once you feel the prana a little more balanced on both nostrils, then flip your right palm down, go into Chinmaya mudra, so curl your fingers in, still thumb and index touch. And your left hand stays in Gyan mudra with your palm up. Now we're going to bring the awareness to the left nostril. And notice your energy moving in and out through the left. Cool energy moving through the left side. If you are using your visualization, then you can visualize a silvery energy moving in and out. You can picture moonlight entering the left nostril, going into the third eye, traveling along the spine from bottom to top, and then out through your nostril. Although you might be visualizing your energy coming down and up, remember that when you inhale, the energy is rising, and when you exhale, the energy is going downwards. If your mind keeps jumping to the right nostril, keep bringing it back to the left. Now we're going to neutralize the energy on both sides. Chinmaya mudra, curl your fingers in on the left hand and flip your palm down. Bring your hands towards the creases of the legs if that works for you, shoulders back and down. Once again, if your shoulders lift, move your hands away from the groin and more towards your knees. Now when you're ready, flip your right palm up, Gyan mudra, extend your fingers, and inhale through the right nostril, and exhale through the left nostril. Change mudras. Inhale through the left nostril, and exhale through the right. Switch. Inhale through the right, Gyan mudra on the right, palm facing up. And exhale through your left nostril. Switch mudra, Chinmaya on the right, Gyan mudra on the left. Inhale through the left nostril. And exhale through the right. Find your rhythm. Continue to switch the mudras. Remember that your palm faces up when you inhale on that side. And faces down on your exhalation side. And then switch. Inhale. And from where you exhale, you inhale again. Just switch the mudra to receive the energy on that channel. We're going to do one more round on each side. And we're going to finish when we exhale through the right. Both hands face up. You can move your hands away from the groin. Notice your breath. Don't worry if you didn't feel the energy shifting from side to side. You keep practicing and you're gonna be amazed how deep you feel the energy flowing. Sometimes you feel it all along the right side and then the other side. If you are into these subtle practices, it's only patience and practice that will take you there. Hands together at the center of the heart, shoulders away from the ears. We're going to seal our practice with our metta mantra. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live in peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live in peace. May all be happy. May all be healthy. May all be safe. May all live in peace. Inhale through your nostrils, expand. And through your nostrils, exhale. Inhale to Om. Tuck your chin onto your chest. Open your eyes. Bring your gaze forward. Shower yourself with your own good vibes and remember to shake off whatever stresses, pains that you don't need anymore. Thank you so much, yogis. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. If you are ready to get serious about your yoga practice, remember to check out my online yoga studio, link in the description. Also, press the like button before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Thank you so much for being part of this mystical community. Namaste.